Good morning, I am Xavier from Navy Recognition. I am on the French area today to cover Catamaran 2014, a large amphibious exercise involving the French carrier battle group, as well as 2 Mistral-class LHDs, 1 Foudre-class LPD, and several French special forces and army units.
I am General Guilloni, commanding in France the 9th Marine Infantry Brigade, and for the exercise commanding the landing force. As you know, every operation is joint, and we prepare, when we are on exercise, we prepare for an operation if necessary. The landing force is composed of 4 elements. The command element, which is provided by my brigade with the staff, the signals, and the intelligence assets. Then a battle group, which is provided to by my brigade. With it is a mixed battle group with cavalry, infantry, engineer, and artillery. Then you have an air mobile group, which is provided by the Army Aviation, and a logistic group, which is provided obviously by the logistic brigade. Okay, the main assets. This force is about 1,000 soldiers with around 230 vehicles. Among them, you have armored vehicles such as VBCI, AMX-10 RC, and 12 helicopters with Tigre helicopters, Gazelle, and Puma.
We are now on board an EDAR, or LCAT, standing for Landing Catamaran, on our way to the Mistral-class LHD. The French Navy is using those craft as sea-to-shore connectors.
I'm Rear Admiral Frédéric Damlincourt. I'm commander of the Amphibious task group in charge of the exercise Catamaran 140. Those kind of exercises are mainly here to test our capability in the amphibious domain. That's to say, for us, it's the first time we use 2 LHD in an amphibious operation, and the objective is now to check some different possibilities of mitigations that we have to face in real operation. The main units taking part in the exercise are 2 LHD and 1 LPD for the amphibious part. We have also a mine hunters component to make the channel between sea and land safe. We have some escorts, 1 anti-air frigate in charge of the air bubble safety around the area of the operation. We have 1 anti-submarine frigate, 1 anti-surface dedicated frigate, which is fast Lafayette-class frigate, And off the coast we have also the aircraft carrier, and the general air safety is ensured by the carrier wing group. We also have two maritime patrol aircraft.
We are now on board the Mistral to find out what this amphibious assault ship may bring during amphibious operations.
So good morning, I'm Captain Benoît de Guibert, commanding officer of LHD Mistral. This ship has four main functions. It can be used as an helicopter carrier for assault. It can also be used as an amphibious ship with all the land units, small land units, to debark vehicles and troops ashore. The third function would be hospital. This ship can be used as an hospital ship with, thanks to his 800 square meters hospital, and at least it can also be used as a command ship at sea, because we can receive a command post up to 150 persons on board to command an operation from the sea, especially an amphibious operation.
We are now on board the nuclear-powered aircraft carrier Charles de Gaulle, the flagship of the French Navy.
I'm the captain, commanding officer of the French ship nuclear carrier Charles de Gaulle. I'm 46 years old. This exercise is for us to provide some close air support and to air superiority within the area of amphibious operations. So for the exercise we have at that time 12 Rafale and 7 Super 8 Honors, 1 E2C Hawkeye, and this allows us to launch approximately 35 aircraft per day.
All right. What's the maximum number of fighters that the aircraft carrier can deploy?
This ship has been designed to be able to carry 30 Rafale. Rafale is an omni-role fighter, which is able on the same airframe to have some bombing capacities, missile capacities, air defense, cruise missiles, exocet anti-ship missile, strategic missile, and air recce, and air-to-air refueling.
And finally, how many sailors are typically on board Charles de Gaulle?
So during the exercise today we are 1,000 people, 750, and when we leave for operation we are just beyond 2,000 people.
I am the commanding officer of Task Force 463, also Catamaran 4. It means that I'm commanding the 4th Catamaran that is currently playing a big exercise alongside the southern coast of France.
From your perspective, what are the main objectives of this exercise?
This exercise is what we call a superior exercise with high objective, and these objectives are mainly concentrated on the expeditionary concept. What is an expeditionary task force? It is a capability able to deploy at long distance in full autonomy, and so to be capable to project either force or power. So this is what we train during that exercise. On a more concrete base, we have the full task force that is combining a carrier strike group and an amphibious group plus a mine warfare group. And the objective of that task force is first to establish sea control and then to project force and power within the time frame of a NATO exercise.